So what is data types? We know that. So you can also like think data types is a type of container for storing some values. When we are speaking about containers, you definitely do not store all of the values, all of your resources inside your home into same type of container. To store the clothes, you probably use a container C1. To store rice, you actually use another container. To store eggs, you actually use the container 3. To store sugar, you actually use container 4. So when we are specifying about the values, these are the type of value. This is a string value, right? This is a word. This is a sentence. This can be sentence also. To store this value, let's say for example, I need 30 MB of computer memory space, or 8 unit of computer memory, right? But when we write true and false, we maybe just require 2 or 3 bits of data, 4 bits of data, right? 4 bits of space, not data, memory space, right? Probably you need 1 unit of data, 1 unit, just 1 unit. So first thing is that when you want to store different kinds of values, the first one we call is value, and the second one is the size of the container. So probably to store the string you need a bigger container, but to store true or false you need a very small container. And again, when you're storing the number, probably you need the container size is bigger than the Boolean one, but lesser than the string one, right? So depending on the values, we fix the size of the container. That's why different kinds of data exist inside programming language, right? Even though JavaScript is a dynamic type language, you will have to learn what is type. You will have to learn, definitely you will have to learn what is type and why do you need type. So now I'll conclude this section by summarizing. The first thing is that JavaScript is a dynamically typed language. You don't need to specify the type before a variable name. We specify var later const for completely different reason. Those are not for specifying the type. The age can be of type number depending on the value, but again, when you reassign the value of the age, the type of the variable age will be changed to string when the assignment operator finishes the execution. The second point is we need different types of variables, different types. We need to specify, or we need to find out the type into the runtime. What is the type of that value? We need to find that in runtime to fix the memory size required to store that value. It can be that large, it can be this, it can be this. For that reason, we need to consider different types of values, right? The third point is, I have said that you need to remember what is string, what is number, what is Boolean. Those are the commonly used data types inside Node.js or JavaScript. That's it, everyone. I will not bore you with the long length videos. Rather, I'll make concise, short, and to the point videos to make you understand what is JavaScript and how you can run JavaScript inside Node.js. Right? That's a tutorial video series of 100 days of Node.js, right? 100 days of Node.js. And inside that, we'll be using JavaScript into the server side or into the desktop environment. We are not using browser. That's it, everyone. Into the next video, we'll be discussing more about mathematical operation and how you can store those values using the variables and how you can use the concept of data types while doing all of those mathematical operations. Thank you, everyone, for watching this video. If you have any suggestion, please do let me know in the comment section so that I can improve and deliver you the better quality videos.